Hello, and welcome back to Easy Recipes with Dee. Today, we're making a creamy shrimp and rice dish. It's so simple, super tasty, and perfect for those nights when you want something good without spending forever in the kitchen. Alright, let's get started. First up, I'm mincing 4 large cloves of garlic. We'll set that aside for later. Now for the shrimp, I've got around 10 medium ones here. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to the pan, and once that's nice and hot, in they go. I'm keeping the seasoning simple with just salt and pepper, but honestly, use whatever seasonings you love. Cook them for about 4 minutes on each side, and you'll know they're ready when they turn that beautiful pink color. If you have tongs, use them to flip the shrimp. It will make it much easier, but I only have a spatula here at this Airbnb. Once they're done, take them out and set them aside. Okay, back to the pan. We are going to use all that flavor left behind. If you need to, drizzle in just a little more oil, then add in the garlic. Cook that for about a minute, just until it smells fragrant. That's when you know it's ready. If you've made it this far, you're the best. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments how your recipe's turning out. I'd love to hear. Now we're adding the liquid. Pour in 1 cup of milk. And 1 cup of chicken stock. Give that a good stir and add a little more pepper for flavor. I like to cook this on medium-low heat for about 12 minutes, stirring every so often so it doesn't stick. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our adventures from around the world right here on YouTube. As we travel, the kitchens and appliances we use are always changing. So my goal is to bring you simple, delicious recipes you can easily make at home. No fancy gadgets required. If you'd like to join us on our travels, check out our other channel, Travel With Us for Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. Once the 12 minutes are done, I like to add about half a cup of cheese. This helps it thicken up and get extra creamy. Let that melt for a couple of minutes. Then bring the shrimp back to the pan so all those flavors can come together. This will cook for another 5 minutes. Also, feel free to cut the shrimp into smaller pieces before adding them back into the pan. I cut mine in half. Add the cooked rice straight into your pan, mix everything together really well, and let it cook for another 5 minutes or so. Just enough time for it to thicken and soak up all that flavor. I already had mine going in the rice cooker to save time. For this dish, which serves 2, I used 3/4 cup of jasmine rice with 2 cups of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of oil. And that's it. A super easy, creamy shrimp and rice dish that's perfect for any night of the week. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear how your version turns out. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out more than you know, and I appreciate each and every one of you.